Hello! My first day in Korea. Oh my gosh. I love this feet. Isn't this so cute? It's all from Zalora. I'm not sure if I'm showing you this. This is Gangnam Level 7 Hotel and this is under the Lotte group. Outside it looks like that. I mean, Gangnam is a really accessible area and it's just not bad. I quite like it. Very clean. I'm gonna go meet my friend at a coffee stall. And it's like 5 degrees, but I'm hoping that this leather jacket will keep me warm. Okay, let's go. Wow. 이거 뭐야? 커피. 네? 이거 케이크.
이거 뭐야? 푸딩이에요. 우리 먹고 됐다.
We're in Jeju. We're at Hamduk.
We're at Cafe
Del Mundo. We're going to this store. We're eating some black pork today. Very exciting. I saw this on Instagram. I'm like, definitely need to visit this place. 감사합니다. Wow, it's ready to eat. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it really looks glorious and
Yeah, glorious. Morning. Just woke up. This is the view. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty here. Oh my god. I can see the sea from this room. And oh my god, like wow. If you guys are coming to Jeju, y'all need to be in this room.
so freaking cold.
Look at our view. They also have a cafe right outside. Looks so beautiful. This woman right here being my photographer. Not us not hiking, but instead we're still eating. Kanghulu. We're at a cafe called ORN. Dongmun Market. Think dumplings. Goat squeeze. We have the lobster. I can smell it. Oh, it smells good.
Wow, it's very saucy. Yeah. Most basic.
小笼包吧。Okay, we're eating the. This is octopus, live octopus, and some sashimi. Oh my god, it's our first time. Live octopus.
Oh, it's very.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I keep sucking everything. Oh my god, it's moving a lot. Cheers. Cheers. Wow, but very nice. Very chewy.